what's up guys, back with another video of Split RC, and today we're coming at you with another video reviewing the old Traxxas e-Revo 2.0. It is not my car, not really sadly since I'm not a fan of it. It's my buddy's over here, his name's Parker Roberts. You can check him out on YouTube as Young Buck Outdoors, coming soon. Starting a channel soon, go give him some love and support. But this is his car. How's it treated you?
So, to be honest, I like Traxxas, and then after I got this car, it may be all fast and everything, but it just it's not durable. Like, I broke this, like, setting it off a snowbank, stripped the plastic gear, him running up a tree.
Hey. Backflip.
What else happened?
The
servos
arms broke jumping it.
My servos blew.
Stock servos blew.
Then
second time driving it. Put tactical servos in, blew. Third time driving it, and now we have this cheaper-ish servo in it. It's like a what gram is it? 35 kg. It's a pretty good servo. I mean, budget.
Switched it to single servo.
Yeah, if you get one, I prefer switching it to single servo.
So you don't
I'll leave the link in the description below to this servo.
Pretty cheap.
And the car. But, I mean, overall, he runs a single battery in it. Single 3S?
Yeah.
Single 3S, which I think is plenty of power with these cars.
But if you want to, like, go a lot faster...
they do run up to 6S.
Yes, so I used, a while ago, I'd run two 6S, but, like, I kept on running out of battery.
3S,
yes, two 3S. And I kept on running out of battery so quick.
Yeah.
It was like, really fast. Like, you don't need it to be that fast.
Yeah. But I do think that the Arrma Kraton's a bit better than this car. Not only that I own mine because I'm selling mine and he's selling his. We're going back to 10th scale.
But this car, like if there wasn't that much plastic, like the Kraton, if it had all like aluminum chassis,
shock towers,
and like slimmer, like this, it's like, real beefy.
Yeah.
But I mean, I haven't really seen someone break a Traxxas chassis though.
No, there's a lot going on in the Traxxas chassis.
A lot.
And one other design I do not like that Traxxas does is like the shocks horizontal like that. Or like, vertical. No, it's horizontal.
That's horizontal.
That's horizontal. I'm just not a fan of it, you know? But the only reason I really see with my Kraton is the wing snaps right off.
Alright, and I don't know if this is just me, but it seems like every single one of these bolts strip.
That's just Traxxas.
Like,
so, and then also with this car, it comes with like the Traxxas hookup, which I mean, I think is nice once you get the hang of it. Which, like, you know, I don't really own any Traxxas cars, and it's still like pretty easy.
But when you're like sending it, like it pops up.
That's like the only issue. That's what the car looks like. Hopefully it's on frame. It's a cool looking car, and it also comes with like the normal TQI remote or whatever. And it
pops off real easy.
And the remote has like the Wi-Fi, so you can hook it up to like the little app. He has not done it. I mean, maybe we could experiment with it one day, but that's really all for this video.
Alright, if you want to check it out,
is it worth it to buy?
For like the $800 it costs plus batteries. Probably not. I think you should go with the Kraton 6S if you want to go with a car like this.
So, you heard it first. To Kraton owner, Traxxas owner, and realize Kraton's better. So if you're going to go with a big car, go with the Kraton. Till next time, see ya.